Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then locate a moon icon like this one. This is our Do Not Disturb mode. Now, if you're doing this the first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings, where you can number one glance on how it's set by default, and number two change some things if they don't really fit your exact needs. Now, before you can do so, you do need to click right here on the Do Not Disturb, and it looks like we have Do Not Disturb. So this is the toggle on when device is locked, so you can have it automatically turn on when you lock the device, and you have also schedule mode. So it looks like there's almost no options here. We do have silent mode, so these are just the modes. So it looks like there is actually no actual settings for this. So anyway, once you have gone there, maybe toggle on some other things, you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode at any time by just clicking on the toggle, and you're good to go. Now keep in mind that when enabling it manually, it will run indefinitely in the background, so once you're done with it, you'll need to remember to turn it off. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.